Here, this Ekkovision Creatine. These guys make creatine in these bigger packages, and you can see there, here's the scoop. You know, I'll get you a little bit closer. But the thing that these guys do is they actually flavor their creatine. I didn't get it for the flavored. I didn't get anything flavored. This is actually just the normal, like unflavored, because I really don't want any additional stuff in my creatine. I just wanted creatine, and I wanted like a third-party tested creatine, like a high-quality creatine. So I just got the normal flavor. But if you want stuff that's flavored, you can get it from these guys, all right? It comes with 200 servings, and the one thing I noticed is that it's very fine. It basically disappears and mixes very well in your water. It basically disappears, and you don't taste it at all. It's not like gritty or sandy or anything like that. It's must be very, like ground very fine, which I really like. I don't like to taste it in my protein powder. I don't like to taste it in my water. I like it just to kind of disappear, just get it in my body and, you know, do its thing. So big fan. I definitely notice a difference as I get older when I'm on creatine and not on creatine. My strength is definitely higher. So this is the Ekkovision Creatine Micronized Creatine Monohydrate. So there you go. That's it.